This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix battery draining issue on iPhone. So if you're facing battery draining issue after your last update, follow these steps to fix this issue. The first solution is go to settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, tap on motion, disable reduce motion and limit frame rate. And the second solution is open your iPhone settings and tap on privacy, tap on location services, and now tap on system services. And all you have to need just disable these options. And the third solution is turn off background app refresh. Go to settings, background app refresh, disable all of these, tap on background app refresh, select off. And another way is turn off display auto brightness. Scroll down and tap on accessibility, display and text size. Scroll down and disable auto brightness. And another way is uninstall unwanted apps from your iPhone. Go to general, iPhone storage, and all you have to need just uninstall unwanted apps from your iPhone. And the last way is turn on your low power mode. Go to battery, turn on low power mode, and that's how we can fix battery draining issue on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.